Hello students, this is video 1.10, geometric tools. Your objectives are, I can construct a circle given a radius. Your second objective is, I can construct an equilateral triangle. Remember, this definition for constructions you have already written, but you need to remember that constructions are only things that we do in geometry that involve geometric tools that are compasses and straight edges or rulers, okay? So at this point in the video, you want to make sure that you at least copy down the idea that we're going to have a circle given a specific radius, and you're going to work on creating an equilateral triangle. Equilateral meaning that all sides are congruent, which will force all angles to be congruent. All right, so again, you have the option to take notes during this video that you're going to see. Be sure to watch it carefully so that you know how to do these constructions in class.
Hi geometry students. In this video you're going to learn two very simple constructions. The first is almost so simple that it might seem obvious. To construct a circle, you set the width of a compass to the length of the radius of the circle that you want. Normally, what you might do is draw a line segment of the length of that radius, and then set the compass to the length of that line segment. So let's say here's my line segment, and I'm going to set my compass right here. So right where my mouse is, that's the center of the circle. And I'm going to drag my compass out to the edge of the circle. And now all I have to do is, instead of drawing an arc, I go all the way around. As you can see, this allows you to create a circle as large as your compass will stretch. So my digital compass goes pretty far. Your compass will have a limit, but still allows for a good amount of flexibility. And that's it. That's how you construct a circle. Your next construction is to construct an equilateral triangle. An equilateral triangle has three sides of equal length. The way you construct an equilateral triangle is also very simple. So I'm going to take my pen and mark my endpoints here. Let's say this is A, B. So what I'm going to do is take my compass, position it at my first endpoint, and drag it out to reasonable length, about here, and construct an arc that goes like this. Then I'm going to construct an arc of the same length, so I'm not changing my compass, I'm just moving it to point B, like this. What you'll notice is that the intersection of these two arcs actually gives us the third point of our triangle. So if we connect point A and point B to this third point, which we can call point C, then we have our triangle. And as you'll learn later, it's an equilateral triangle not only because it has three equal sides, but also three equal angles. And we can verify that by measuring, or we can trust because the three equal sides necessitate that there be three equal angles. So you'll learn more on that later. But those are your two new constructions.
That was an amazing video, and now our secret hot question is, how many circles does it take to make an equilateral triangle? How many? How many arcs were made? If you didn't make the full circles, how many arcs were there? All right, and we'll see you tomorrow.